Well, hi, Jeff Barlett here. So this video here is about what do you do if you drop your guitar pick in the hole of your guitar like that, right? All you gotta do is turn the guitar upside down and just shake it. Just keep shaking the guitar. Sometimes it takes a while and it falls right out on the floor. It's really that simple. Let me try it again. Watch. I'm going to put the guitar pick in the hole. And it just flew out again. It takes maybe like 20 seconds, 15 seconds, I don't know. You can go back and count how long it took me to shake the guitar to get the guitar pick out. It's not that hard. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless.